Your motorcycle's exhaust is one of the most direct communication channels your engine has. Every combustion event sends byproducts through that pipe, and what those byproducts look like tells a specific story about what's happening inside your engine right now. Most riders glance at their exhaust and think nothing of it, but experienced mechanics read exhaust smoke the way a doctor reads symptoms. Each color, each pattern, each condition under which it appears points to something specific. Catching what it's pointing at early is the difference between a minor fix and a major rebuild. Today, we're covering every exhaust smoke color your motorcycle can produce, what each one means, and exactly what to do when you see it. Color number 2 affects more motorcycles than most riders realize, and most don't catch it until significant damage is already accumulated. Color number 3 demands the most urgent response of anything on this list. Let's get into it. First, what normal exhaust looks like. Before problem smoke, you need to know what normal looks like. On a cold morning, light white vapor from the exhaust for the first minute of running is completely normal. This is steam, water vapor condensing in the cold exhaust pipe until it reaches operating temperature. It disappears completely once the engine warms up and has no smell beyond normal exhaust. This is the exhaust equivalent of seeing your breath on a cold morning, normal physics. The key is that it disappears within the first few minutes. Steam that persists after the engine is fully warm is no longer normal condensation. A healthy engine at full operating temperature produces exhaust that's essentially invisible. If you can see smoke from a fully warmed engine under normal conditions, something is burning that shouldn't be. Color 1. Blue or blue-gray smoke. Blue smoke means one thing universally. Oil is entering the combustion chamber and burning with the fuel mixture. But blue smoke has two distinct patterns, and each pattern points to a different cause. Blue smoke at cold start that clears within 30 to 60 seconds points to valve stem seals. These small rubber seals prevent oil from running down the valve stems into the combustion chamber. When they harden and crack with age, oil pools above the valves while the engine sits. The cold start puff burns off that pooled oil, then clears as the engine warms up. Blue smoke, specifically under acceleration, a puff when you open the throttle, points to piston rings. Worn rings allow oil from the cylinder walls into the combustion chamber under the increased pressure of acceleration. More throttle means more smoke. Blue smoke specifically under deceleration, when you close the throttle and engine braking takes over, also points back to valve seals. The high vacuum during engine braking pulls oil past compromised seals actively. The pattern tells you the location. Cold start or deceleration, valve seals. Acceleration, piston rings. Valve seal replacement is significantly less involved than piston ring replacement. Catching either early saves the engine from compounding damage of prolonged oil burning. Color 2. White smoke that doesn't clear. This is the one most commonly confused with normal cold start condensation, which is exactly why it causes so much damage before it's caught. Persistent white smoke, smoke that continues after the engine is fully warm, that has a sweet chemical smell and appears thick and steady, means coolant is entering the combustion chamber through a failed head gasket. The smell is the critical distinguishing factor. Normal cold start steam has no distinctive smell. Burning coolant has an unmistakable sweet, slightly sickly chemical smell. If your exhaust produces persistent white smoke with that smell, stop riding immediately. Here's why this demands urgent action. A blown head gasket simultaneously allows combustion gases into the cooling system, causing overheating, coolant into the oil, creating milky, contaminated lubrication, and coolant into the combustion chamber in quantities that can cause hydraulic lock, liquid coolant that can't compress, bending connecting rods when the piston tries to compress it. Every kilometer ridden on a blown head gasket compounds all three failure modes at once. The repair cost grows with every single ride. Find the cause and fix it.
Color 3. Black smoke.
Black smoke means your engine is running rich, too much fuel relative to available air. Unburned fuel exits through the exhaust, and carbon particles create the distinctive black or dark gray color. On carbureted bikes, black smoke points to fuel system issues: a stuck float needle allowing too much fuel into the bowl, a jet enlarged through incorrect cleaning, a choke partially stuck on, or a mixture that's been over-richened to hide a different problem, hiding the real cause while creating a new one on top of it. On fuel-injected bikes, black smoke points to either a sensor failure, an oxygen sensor or temperature sensor sending incorrect readings, causing the ECU to command excess fuel, or a leaking injector delivering fuel when it shouldn't be. Beyond the smoke itself, chronic rich running causes accelerated carbon buildup in the combustion chamber, fouled spark plugs, reduced fuel economy, and cylinder wall fuel wash damage. None of these fix themselves. Every kilometer of rich running adds to the carbon and the wear. Find the cause and fix it. Color 4. White smoke with blue tint under hard acceleration. This combination, not purely white, not purely blue, but a whitish blue smoke specifically under hard acceleration, is a specific diagnostic signal sitting between both colors. This combination typically indicates oil burning and fuel delivery issues present simultaneously. The oil component comes from ring or seal wear. The white component comes from a rich mixture causing partial fuel vaporization that exits unburned. This appears most commonly on high-mileage engines that have been running rich for extended periods. The rich running caused fuel wash that accelerated ring wear. Now, both problems exist together. What started as a fuel system issue has created a mechanical one on top of it. The sequence of repair matters here. Fix the fuel delivery issue first and restore correct mixture. Then evaluate how much oil burning remains once mixture is correct. This prevents misdiagnosing ring wear that's actually being exaggerated by the rich running condition. Color 5. Gray smoke. Gray smoke that appears consistently and doesn't fit cleanly into the blue or white categories often indicates one of two things. On motorcycles with a wet clutch sharing oil between engine and gearbox, gray smoke can indicate transmission oil entering the combustion chamber, a condition worth investigating if it appears persistently without another explanation. More commonly, gray smoke indicates accumulated carbon deposits in the combustion chamber breaking loose and burning through. This often triggers after a change in riding style from gentle to harder use, or after adding a fuel system cleaner to the tank. The deposits dislodge and burn off over 1 to 2 tanks of fuel. If gray smoke appears after adding a fuel system cleaner, ride through it. It's the deposits clearing and will resolve on its own. If gray smoke appears persistently without that trigger, investigate for the internal causes we've covered before, assuming it's benign. Your exhaust shows you this information every single ride. The difference between riders who catch engine problems early and riders who face expensive rebuilds is simply whether they're paying attention to what's coming out the back of their bike. Subscribe for more real motorcycle knowledge. See you in the next one.